When I say the words, live a life of freedom, what goes through your mind? Do you have these images of the land of the free and the home of the brave pop up? Or maybe it's just sitting on a beach and drinking cocktails without a care in the world. Or is it having all your needs met by some mysterious benefactor like Pip had? I'm Scott Sery, and I'm the founder of Know to Grow. This program is designed to let you design your own life. You get to live it however you want to, not under the shackles and the confines of how a boss wants you to live it. Now, I'll explain what I mean by that. I use a few different terms and phrases, and a lot of them mean more or less the same thing. They're interchangeable, but there's a slightly different emphasis for each one of them. I will talk about live a free life, or live life on your own terms, or make the kind of money that you deserve, make money without a boss, earn more on the side, live a life of freedom, or live life however you want to live it. And there's probably some other variations thereof that I've gone through over the past several videos. What it boils down to is that there are a whole lot of people out there in jobs, stuck in jobs that pay them like crap. And it's not that the company can't afford it, but a company's main priority is to make money, and usually for the shareholders. Which is fine. I'm not bad-mouthing making money or, increasing your bottom line at all. We all need to do that. What I am bad-mouthing, however, is the business model that seems to think that paying their employees this real low wage is going to increase their profits substantially. Even though there are numerous studies out there that show a well-paid employee actually generates far more for the company than one that's real meagerly paid. It's where I was for years and years, because I thought the only options were, one, to get a better job, which I strived for over and over, but I could never land it. I realize now, in part, that's due to my left of normal personality. I'll put a link in the description to my podcast where I talk all about what that means to be left of normal. The other option that I found was to simply get a second job. So now I'm stuck in this job that pays 11 or 12 bucks an hour. And if I go to get a second job, it might pay $8 or $9 an hour. I do the math, and you can see that even if I worked full time for both of them, it would be like working one $20 an hour job, but I'd have absolutely no freedom because I'd actually be working 80 hours a week. Fast forward more than a decade later, and I'm here to tell you, you deserve way more than 12 bucks an hour. Because while money isn't everything, money opens up doors to so many different opportunities that you might not otherwise have access to. Money doesn't buy happiness, but money buys the opportunities that create happiness. Now we run into the second problem when we're trying to live a life of freedom. We know that we're getting paid crap. And we know that we should be out there making money on our own. But we don't know how to get it done. A good portion of my previous videos rant about how personal finance websites are really just loaded with affiliate links. They don't really care that you're not actually going to make money with their how to make money on the side articles. What they care about is you click that link, now they're getting paid, and with a large network, they're getting paid really well. You have skills and talents that 90% of the rest of the people out there do not have. And those other 90% of people, they'll pay you to either show them how to do it or to do it for them. You just have to figure out how to develop those skills and then market them to the people that need them. And then if you want to take a random Tuesday morning off because you're too hungover to go to work, that's living life on your own terms. If you want to take a week off and go on a road trip through the Rocky Mountain states, that's a life of freedom. If you want to bugger off to a Caribbean island for a week and drink cocktails while sitting on the beach, that is a free life. And it's all paid for because you have the kind of money that you deserve coming in because you took the time to capitalize on your skills. I'll show you exactly how to do it. First, like and subscribe to this channel. Maybe leave a comment on how absolutely amazing this video was, or how unamazing it was, and then head over to www.knowtogrow.com and sign up. I will walk you through start to finish on your journey to living a life of freedom.